Shalom everyone, this is Rabbi Yonatan with my weekly Torah thought from Parshat Bechukotai, which talks about the brachot and the klalot, the blessings and the curses, if we follow the Torah. And it begins, Im Bechukotai telechu, if we will follow the mitzvot of the Torah. It goes on to talk about the blessings and the curses. Begins telling us about the blessings of the rains and all of the shefa, the abundance that we'll receive from following Torah. How are we supposed to understand this? First of all, doesn't also the teva, the nature, have laws? And isn't it God that integrated those natural laws into the world? So how could it be that God is making decisions about what's happening in nature? It doesn't make sense. Unless we understand the whole idea of blessings and curses and the Torah a little bit differently. Which is that instead of thinking about them as maybe punishments and rewards, instead of maybe thinking of the mitzvot in terms of direct intervention of a God out there into this world, perhaps we think about the God that is coming, that is imminent, that is within us, who is making decisions that have an impact on the world, either positive or negative. We might call this cause and effect. For example, if we make certain decisions about how we deal with our environment and what decisions we make environmentally, then it can affect the rains, it can affect the environment, it can affect the future. So there is a cause and effect about the godliness that in the decisions that we make. Now, this is something that I think is really important to think about, especially about our impact in the world as God comes through us and is in us, and as we bring that into the world, especially during difficult times and with very big challenges like now. So, I'm in front of the Torahs. In a week and a half, we're going to be celebrating the receiving of Torah at Mount Sinai and thinking about what it means to receive direction in this world in order to live the kind of life that is a life of Torah and a life of God. We will be having a wonderful Tikkun Leil Shavuot with Rabbi Ganendi, Rabbi Gabi Sar Shalom, and Dr. Lindsay, who is coming to us from the UK through Limud. So we're very excited and hope that you will all join us and come hear about the fascinating subjects, including how God comes into the world to strengthen us, or our own challenges with God during times of crisis and difficulty. Wishing everyone a Shabbat Shalom. Hope to see you on Shabbat and on Shavuot. Shabbat Shalom.